Yeah, this is the full total head. So you just remove the 4 screws. This one, and this one. So before removing the screws, you just remove the pipe. Remove the collimation lens hood. Yeah, this is the inside lens hood. So you have to remove the lens hood very carefully with lens remover. This is a special tool purchased separately from market, or we can use this nose plier. So be careful with nose plier. Don't touch any lens. The lens, this is damage, big damage. Sometimes very small dot. This is very big dot. Sometimes very small dot. This is 100 mm collimation lens. Naya lens, new lens. Don't touch with fingers. Put into same place. Don't fix more tight, don't fix loose, sufficient to fix it. And again replace the same place. Position, you should check the position. There is a female hole. This is a male hole, or male connector, male pin. So this male pin connecting into insert into female. Remove nozzle, and ring, ceramic cap. Okay, and remove 2 screws with nose plier or spanner, or nose plier or spanner, small spanner, 6 mm spanner. remove 4 screws. This way. Very be careful with rubber ring. This is very important. Sometime it will remove, so keep it carefully. Now you have to remove again 4 screws. This is the main focus lens. So every minimum 6 months we have to replace it for better cutting quality. So use nose plier or lens remover spanner. This is special tool. This is the focus lens 150 FL focus lens 150 mm or 155. So you have to use the same, replace the same 150 mm lens. Okay, don't touch any finger. Correct position and fix it same place.